Kuzuzambula, Namaste. Good morning to all respected online viewers. Long live their majesties, long live our leaders, and long live our friendship. Welcome to this online yoga and Ayurveda workshop, Embassy of India, Thimphu, ICCR's Nehru Wangchuk Cultural Center, yoga teacher. I'm KVSSN Murthy here. So today also I would like to recite the same Amurta Dhanvantari Stotra from the last 2 weeks. We are seeing this chanting, important chanting. अमृत संजीवन धन्वंतरी स्तोत्रः यस्य अनुष्ठान मात्रेण मृत्युदूरत्पलायते दरोद्धार हिरण्याक्षघाता क्रोडकृते प्रभो सिंच सिंचामृतकनैश्चिरञ्जीवय जीवय भक्तत्रास विनाशात् चण्डत्व नृहरे विभो सिंच सिंचामृतकनैश्चिरञ्जीवय जीवय. This is only in attributions towards the Lord Mahavishnu, who also in the form of the Lord Dhanvantari. These two slokas saying that he is also a great destroyer to the all enemies. So in that same regard, he is also destroyed to the diseases and disorders also. The one who is always devoting towards the Lord Sri Vishnu. And coming to our Ayurveda workshop, so today also we are seeing the same principles of for good foods for the the issue of piles. So as we know that if you have based on the severity of the complaint, if it is totally chronic stage, try to see a very good Ayurveda physician or traditional medical specialist how to cut that hemorrhoids. So we have Kshara Sutra technique, a kind of Ayurveda thread technique also in the Ayurveda to cut the excess of growth, excess of hemorrhoids. Still, if you are at the stage 1 or stage 2, still it can be reversible through your actions, activities and acts. Very simple thing is, today our easiest preparation, what we know that brinjal. So take brinjals, like a tender brinjal, not like hard brinjals, tender brinjals, and carefully peel it out. So whatever you want to consume, like apples or any fruits or vegetables, first peel it out and consume. So it will not really give any hardness towards in the abdomen. So take this brinjal and boil this brinjal, properly boil, and after that just eat like a curry, or you can mix with the rice also. But see that any kind of vegetable or rice, it must be very soft. It must be very soft and very, very creamy. Then second thing is, today's second important preparation is Triphala. So this Triphala also available in the markets. This is available in the powder form as well as it is available in the capsule forms also. Triphala is a very important, 3 important fruits. Amla, Indian gooseberry also important ingredient in this one. So take this Triphala powder or Triphala capsule with the honey or with the jaggery, or at the least with the sugar. This is also important preparation, but early morning preparation. And today's our wonder preparation, food preparation is, as we know that this is mooli, available in every market here, mooli. Take that mooli pieces. So for the purpose of online viewers, I already cut these pieces. So add 1 or 2 lemon drops. Just 1 or 2 lemon drops. So here I have black salt. Add a pinch of black salt. Then if you have any further ulcer issues, do not add black pepper. If you have no issues in the abdomen, you can add diluted pepper. So it's not a very big quantity, very small quantity, or even instead of this, you can add ilachi powder also. But this is the preparation, like soak in the buttermilk. Soak in the buttermilk or curd for at least 2 to 3 hours time. Then only after that please consume with that buttermilk and with this. So somewhat it will give some cooling effect inside the abdomen, as well as it is good for the your piles complaint also. But remember, no alcohols, no smoking, no hard foods, as well as no dry foods. Dry foods means here not dry fruits. You can take dry fruits after soaking them, but dry foods means like all varieties of fried items or dried foods, as well as no packaged foods also, including noodles. So whenever, whatever you want to take the food, take it as a fresh condition and hot condition, as well as always prefer vegetables only, vegetables, boiled vegetables. And in the night also don't work till midnight, so please sleep early. Your stress levels also can be cause your abdominal ill health, so that take care of all these things. It's a combination. Your health is a combination of stress free life, early sleep and early rise, and good food, right food at the right timing, as well as doing good to the society. So all these are important factors to work on the physical health. And now coming to our yoga practices, today also we are seeing very simple and effective yoga practices which can be doable by everyone. It's not only people who are suffering from these issues. So the people who wants to do yoga exercises, these coming exercises are very simple and very effective exercises. Today also I'm giving the same exercises, sun salutations with the mantra chanting. So if you have traditional belief to chant the mantra along with me, you can chant, or just you can listen. After that you can jump into the practicals. Okay, take a long deep slow inhalation and exhalation. Om hiranmayena patrena satyasyapi hitam mukham tatvam pushan apavrunu satya dharmaya drustaye. Om Hram Hrim Hrum Hraim Hraum Raha Mitra Ravi Surya Bhanu Kagapusna Hiranya Garbha Maricha Aditya Savitra Arka Bhaskaraya Namaha. And open your both the arms forward, lift your both the arms up. From here, slightly put a back bend. Then very slowly bend the body forward completely till your toes, and from there right leg must be your back leg, Asva Sancharanasana or horse riding posture. And few seconds after that, back leg should be straight on the toes, and join your forward leg to back to the Santulanasana or Dandasana. Few seconds stay here. Then completely press the body down towards the floor, Ashta Anga Namaskarasana. And from here, lift the body up, lifted head, cobra posture or Bhujangasana. And from here, maintain mountain triangular posture. Few seconds stay here. 1, 2. And right leg must be your forward leg, Asva Sancharanasana. And back leg to the forward leg. And few seconds stay from here. Lift your both the arms completely up. And from here, very slowly keep your both the palms together and down. Relaxations enough. Long and pause. Deep, slow inhalation and exhalation. Right. So here in the sun salutations also, if you feel any inconvenience while especially forward bends, avoid forward bends. So the the practices which is giving somewhat tough exercises called gym exercises or weightlifting or remaining any kind of other exercises which is directly affecting on the abdomen, do not do or take it very slow, especially people who are suffering with these spines. And now coming to our next exercises, take a long deep and slow inhalation and exhalation. So last time we saw some of the exercises, bridge posture and Parvatasana. Today also we are seeing very simple and effective exercises. Again, keep your body straight. Then here right leg must be your back leg. Then very slowly open your both the arms forward and back leg straight, and few seconds stay here in this Eka Pada Asana. Few seconds stay. This is simple balancing exercises. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and enough. Then very slowly release the posture, relaxation, rest your legs, rest your waist and take a long pause. Again same here, opposite side, keep your second leg back, left leg back, right leg forward. Then same here, keep wide your both the arms forward. Then from here lift your back leg up and stay for a while, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and enough. Relaxations enough. Again long and slow and deep inhalation and exhalation. And next exercise will be our Vajrasana. This is also very good posture, but please remember always if you have complaint of the anal rectal issues, please maintain soft pillows to sit on the pillows and do exercises. Okay, here fold your right leg and fold your left leg and sit for a while on the knees, called diamond shape posture or Vajrasan. Few seconds stay here and concentration at your lower abdomen, concentration at the abdomen, concentration at the chest, again concentration at your lower abdomen, and now here try to concentration at your anal region. Try to hold the total anal region inside, called Ashwini Mudra. Again few seconds stay here. Alright, long, deep, slow inhalation and exhalation. Now very slowly change the posture. So we are doing Jatara Parivartanasana, one or two variations. Right, now turn on the back, sleep on the back. And again take the long and slow and deep inhalation and exhalation. Alright, keep your both the legs together and both the arms together. And right, fold your right leg. So this coming series not only for the people who are having these piles, but also for the people who are having lower back complaints. Also these postures will be so good. So open your both the arms completely wide and keep your right leg on the left thigh towards your left side. Give a maximum turn. Put your left hand on the folded leg to turn more, and few seconds stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 relaxations. Enough. Come back. And the same thing opposite side. Change your leg. One long deep slow inhalation. Fold your second leg. Then try to put that leg on your opposite side thigh. Catch your thigh above folded leg with your right arm to turn the body and completely give a turn and stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and enough. Then relaxation, release. Again long and slow and deep inhalation and exhalation. Few seconds rest in the Shavasana or the straight posture. Alright, legs together, hands together. From here, open your both the arms wide, keep them on the floor. And here, fold your two legs at a time. Then lift your feet from the floor for at least 5 inches. From here towards your right side full turn. Then put your left hand on the above knee to press the two legs and few seconds. Turn your head opposite side and feel relaxation in the posture without holding the breath. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Enough. Relaxations, release. Then very slowly turn your back straight. And same here, opposite side. Change the leg direction towards your right side. Catch your legs. Again few seconds stay. So Jatara Parivartanasana, Mukulita Pada Jatara Parivartanasana. Few seconds. Turn your head completely opposite side and stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then very slowly come back. Release. And relaxations. Enough. Long and slow and deep inhalation and exhalation. So this is Ekastambha Asana. This is also good posture when the people having these lower back issues, especially before going to bed. First fold your two legs and sleep for a while in this posture. Then after that stretch your one by one leg on the floor or on the bed, and after that sleep. Okay, long and slow and deep inhalation, exhalation. And today's our last physical exercise is Viparita Karani. This is a kind of inverted postures, but if you have any neck issues or above back issues, avoid practicing or maintain proper pillow support or take advice from your yoga teacher. Okay, fold your two legs. Then here lift your two legs up. Then from here just slightly put your knees and legs towards the head to lift your trunk up. So at that level, few seconds stay here. So try to put your both the hands under your trunk. Again, few seconds stay now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and enough. Then very slowly slide your trunk down without lifting your head. Then fold your two legs and release the posture relaxations. Enough. A long pause. So this kind of posters, inverted posters, not only for the people who are having this piles complaint, also in the varicose veins management also, this is simple and effective remedies. And again I'm performing, again see this poster. So no need to lift your body to the 90-degree angle. So this is only 40-degree angle curve. So lift your legs up and try to put your legs towards the head. Then from here keep lift the trunk up. Again few seconds stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then very slowly release the posture and relaxation. Enough, come back. Then slowly take a long pause, inhalation and exhalation. So in fact, because of this simple posture also, lower back may got some strain. So we have one back bending exercises. So in this week we are seeing very simple effective practice called bridge posture. Fold your two legs, hands on the floor, closer to the body or wide to the body. Then lift your trunk up. Again few seconds stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and relaxation. Enough, come back. Alright, open your both the legs forward and take a long slow inhalation and exhalation. Then after that open your right arm or left arm towards that open arm side. Turn your body after folding your two legs. Put your remaining arm in front of the chest. So please remember, when you want to wake up from the beds in the mornings, please apply this same method. It will not really cause any harm on the heart muscles. Then very slowly push your body up. Then very slowly lift the body, release and relaxation. Enough. Alright, take again long, slow and deep inhalation and exhalation. So these kind of postures are in fact very simple and very easy, that can be doable by anyone. If you have time in the especially evening, please take out only 10 minutes time to finish your yoga very quick. So today's last exercise is our pranayama exercise. Sit in any comfortable posture on any comfortable surface. And here today I would like to do my lotus posture, long, deep, slow inhalation and exhalation. So we are doing this yoga exercise not because of only material health, physical health or material pleasures, but towards the spiritual journey. To reach the spiritual heights, our physical health and mental health, these two are two vehicles. So our two vehicles must be ready and fit to lead us towards the spiritual journey. So regarding that, we have very good mantra chanting. If you have traditional belief, you can follow, or else you can see only practicals. Om Kesavaya Swaha, Om Madhavaya Swaha, Om Narayanaya Swaha, Om Adya Samadhi Tatpala Siddhyardham Asana Purvakan Pranayamadin Karishye. Long, slow, deep inhalation and exhalation. So yesterday's practice is Chandra Bhedana Pranayam. So lift your right thumb, close your right nostril, inhalation from your left nostril. Then very slowly, few seconds wait. After that, slowly breathe out from the right nostril. Again, inhalation from the left nostril. And complete breathe out from the right nostril. Inhalation from the left nostril. Then very slowly breathe out from the right nostril. Fourth inhalation from the left inhalation. Then very slowly breathe out from the right. Last inhalation from the left inhalation. And slowly, completely breathe out from the right. Alright, again long and slow and regular breathe in, breathe out. So after that, crow breath or kakasvasa. So here also keep your both the cheeks together and take a small gap in between your lips. inhalation, then very slowly breathe out. Again inhalation, then very slowly breathe out. Third count, breathe in, then again slowly breathe out. Fourth count, breathe in, and slowly breathe out. And last count, breathe in, then very slowly completely breathe out. But remember, if you have any pneumonia or any lungs diseases or disorders, especially in that regard, the practices which can be caused to cooling effect to the body, we have to avoid that practices, or we have to care about while doing that practices. Okay, so tomorrow at the same time we are meeting, especially afternoon. If you have free time, take power nap, Nidra Yoga or Yoga Nidra Abhyas. In the evening also, if you have free time, please do any module of yoga exercises. In a day, while you are watching our videos, if you have any doubts, please put your comments in the comment box. So accordingly, we will set our remaining classes also. So thanking you all to giving me this elite opportunity, and take care of yourself. Stay with the yoga. Thank you.